Friday, September 1st, 2017. It's about 11 o'clock a.m. We're at LMT Truck and RV Repair. And our buddy Mark here, been 15 years with the company, is doing a frontal alignment. Now, I'm familiar with two types of a car alignment, just the front tires and the back tires, all-wheel alignment. But he just put them on automatically, so we're getting an all-wheel alignment. Right now the Mini Winnie's up on jack stand. Tires are completely off the ground for him. But then later on they'll put them on those tires down on those plates which revolve. Now that piece of machinery you see attached to the wheel is self-balancing. And the laser is going to go from one side to the other and then front to back to that guy. Each wheel has something on.
What year is this thing?
2002. Split axle, 2002 Mini Winnie with 30,000 miles on it. Hey, you're going to be on the internet, Mark. Yeah, okay, this end for this one.